talked about my little one, Amaya. So here I'm just going to show you just a couple of pictures of her. She's walking and trying to talk. Still no teeth yet, but she's my baby. Okay guys, I got some chicken thighs in here, and all I did was sprinkle some paprika. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of onion powder in here, which I forgot, and some chicken seasoning, and I'm going to let this sit for about 6 hours and shred it up. So, yum, yum, yum. I'm going to sit the camera down here so I can grab my onion seasoning. Quick picture of Tony's wings while waiting for me to get my onion powder. Kind of hard doing things with one glove, but that's okay. Can you see it going in? Yeah. And then that's it. That's what it's going to look like. And then in my other crock pot, I'm going to get going this Jiffy corn muffin mix with, it's honey flavored, but I won't do that until the chicken is at least about 3 hours in, and then I'll do this 3 hours later. So I'll let you see what it looks like. Daddy, look at me. Daddy. Okay, now that I have your attention, Grandpa, what is it that you want? I'm trying to look like Daddy. Okay. Now I did shred up a little bit as it was cooking down. This has been going for 2 hours because it was on 6 hours, and nice and on high. And we can put this. I can put a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. Ooh, heat's blowing on my leg down below. Or I just leave it be and just sit it with the side of rice. So shredded chicken over rice, or shredded chicken with a side of green beans and some bread from the bread machine. Yum.